Yo, what's up my charge people? Hope you're all blessed in that. Right, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be working on the Peugeot, yeah? But before we get going and everything, do me a favour, go hit that subscribe button, yeah? And yeah, we'll keep that content coming for you, yo. Jeez! So, on today's video, what we're doing is we're going to be changing anti-roll bar bushes, right? I figured out some nasty knock, like, oh my god, it's terrible. I changed all the suspension, everything, like, check out the other videos, you can see, put gas coilovers, everything brand new. Anyways, made a purchase, Febi Bilstein, yeah, decent. Comes with the whole kit and nuts and bolts, everything. Decent price, I think it was like 22 quid. I'll try dropping the link in my video there. So yeah, get these replaced and fingers crossed it stops knocking, because I don't like it. So what I'm most probably going to do one side at a time, because I've never done it before. It looks simple enough, but safety first. Get it jacked up, get an actual stand underneath there. Do one side at a time, and then you'll be winning. Jeez! Oh, how strange is that? Like, is that where the drainage hole is? I didn't know there's that much water trapped in the car. What the? Weird. Oh, thought I'd bring you lot down here with me underneath this filthy, disgusting Peugeot. Right, what we're looking at here. Right, thankfully at the garage, yeah. That's the anti-roll bar bushes that I was talking about replacing. That don't look too bad. And then if you look on this side, it looks alright. Be a bit interesting to replace. Definitely not on the jacks and stuff, because all you have to do is to replace them. Undo that, that loosens that, and I'm pretty sure you take out the bracket from there, however it goes. Can you see? Yeah, right there. And then we got the new bracket, and then that would slide off once you remove your drop link. But anyways, I could hear a knocking noise, yeah? Can't hear it there. And investigating into it, because a pre-MOT check, look at that, that's what's wrong with it. So while we're down here also, these fuel lines are getting replaced because they're terrible. Stop the fuel there. Yeah, look at the state of that job. That was me done for a while. So yeah, got myself some lovely Goodyear fuel line. So we're gonna fit that up, get that done, and get it sorted for the MOT, man. So, if you can see here, that is one fuel line, and that is the other one there. So I'm gonna undo them from there, and yes, run the one, do one at a time. So gonna most probably do this one first, And yeah. Right. Seems a bit loose. I hope it's not loose. This fuel line seems a bit loose. Right. Well, that's the fuel line anyway. Let's tighten up the Jubilee and hope for the best. That's what the Jubilees are there for, right? So, trying to basically make it as if it was factory legitimate. So I've got to try hopefully finding these clips because that's not going in properly. But yeah, that will be back to factory. So yeah, that's one done. Right, been messing around with it. Here is the end result. So, thankfully enough, I'm glad that I've done that work, what was needed, and didn't need to change the anti-roll bar bushes, which this video was supposed to be about. But it's not a difficult job to do. You can do it, man. Like I explained how to remove it. So yeah, like I said, you can do it. Anyways, me car passed this MOT, yo. Jeez. So yeah, all good, happy days, you know what I mean? Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing my dad's Jag, changing the expansion tank, is it? And it's got more problems with it, the transmission's got fault, so I need to take it apart, fix that, and yeah, we're going to be working on a Jag next. So stay tuned, y'all, stay blessed, and stay charged, y'all. Jeez!